This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Kopiko Cappuccino. I took a look at the regular Kopiko a while ago, and it is finally time to take a look at the Cappuccino version as well. Yes, it has been a while. I made my way through the whole regular Kopiko pack, except for one. I kept one for this particular video, for this comparison, for me to actually have something to compare it to. Because this is something that isn't really common here in Germany, for example, the coffee candy just like that. No, and it is quite different than what I thought it was in the first place. When you look at the original Kopiko, it looks like something that's very glossy, that's might be something chewy, like a little gummy bear, and I would actually love something like this as a gummy bear, but it wasn't. It was quite hard, to my surprise, and yeah, it was fine though. I had a lot of these, well, most of these, in the office during my preparation of my master's thesis at the institute that I was at, so this was my go-to candy, I suppose, in the morning and before lunchtime. So yes, I'm very keen to try out the cappuccino version of this finally. Yeah, let's take a look around the package. This is an imported product for Germany. I bought this on Amazon actually. I couldn't find it in any of the stores around my place. Even the Asia store, I think one or two Asian stores here in Cologne, I tried to find this stuff in, but I couldn't. So I had to order it on Amazon. Pause if I want to take a look at the ingredients list right here in English, Vietnamese, Thai, and I don't know what LS is for. Is it Laos? Laotian? MM maybe Myanmar? I don't know. I am very bad at distinguishing all of these different alphabets. Yeah, English is all I can really do anything with. No, I think it's folded out the other side. And pause if you want to take a look at it in German. No, is it? No, it's already. No, it's Dutch. Okay, it's Dutch. English, no, Dutch, extrait de café, French, German, and Swedish, maybe, I don't know. Okay, pause if you want to take a look at the barcode right here, if you want to scan that. Best by date, yeah, it's still well within its best by date. Okay, let us open this up. Open here, follow the instructions for once. Then we can pour some of them out. One. Looks wise, this is very similar. I think that the regular Kopiko was also kind of puffed up like this. Now that it's been out and about for a while, it sort of lost this particular puffiness. Although the package itself for the cappuccino one is a bit bigger than it is for the base one. Let's open this up. Oh, okay, looks wise. It's like a little coffee candy sandwich, but it looks not much like it does on the picture. No, it actually looks not great. That's a bit surprising actually. I would have thought that this is one of the occasions where you get something that's very close to what it is on the picture, but it isn't. On the picture it looks just gorgeous. It looks like one of these curling ball thingies. I would actually love something like that, especially like as a soft candy, as a gummy maybe, that you can sort of, I don't know, treat as a little candy, not just bite on immediately. But yeah, looks wise it's very different from that. Consistency wise, it's also hard. Let's take the regular Kopiko out of its little wrapper. Oh yeah, that's good. I've got one that's not completely broken, because some of them were broken in the package, which is fine, but still. Looks wise, the cappuccino one is considerably lighter in color, both with the brown and the, well, milk side of it. Scent wise, smells quite sweet. Oh, yeah, there is a distinct difference in scent. So, the Kopiko one, the regular one, has got a coffee scent with a sweet caramel note. And the Cappuccino one smells sweeter. Smells more candy-like, less rich in coffee scent. Both smell distinctly of coffee, but this one here smells more caramelly-like. It smells very similar actually to the Häagen-Dazs coffee ice cream that I took a look at last week. Check out the video if you haven't done so already. Nothing to complain about scent-wise. I'm really starting to get sticky fingers. Let's take some cosmetic wipes and get a cross-section of these first. I'm trying not to destroy my desk any further than it already is, so let us take the Leatherman here and maybe break it apart. Quite brittle, a lot more brittle than I thought. Here I have a cross-section of that. Maybe we can do the same with this one. Well, kind of. Okay, not that great of a cross-section, but here we go. Comparison of the regular one and the Cappuccino version. Almost looks like flint here in this cross-section. I love flint. Do you love flint? I love flint. Okay, the Kopiko Cappuccino going in. It's got a more light flavor. Definitely reminds me of these milk coffee candies. Now for the disgusting part of this video, because I have to taste both, right? Let's go for this one. I won't show you the Cappuccino one again because it's kind of disgusting. Yeah, so the regular Kopiko tastes exactly like I remember it. It's got a distinct sweet coffee candy flavor to it, but it lacks sort of warm sweet milkiness, of course, because it's not supposed to represent that. It is quite sweet, but compared to the Cappuccino version, this is truly disgusting, switching out candies. Yeah, milder in flavor. They actually did a pretty decent job in emulating that milk flavor here. But yeah, it's not quite a Cappuccino. It just feels like the regular Kopiko with a bit of creamy flavor attached to that. Which is, I guess, what it's supposed to taste like. Okay. Don't worry, I won't show you these candies now. But all in all, I have to say, with the Cappuccino version with this, I'm happy with that. Flavor-wise, it's fine. Got a certain creamy, milky flavor to it. Not exactly like Cappuccino, no. But as a candy to just have in your mouth and consume very slowly while doing some important business or whatever you like to do. And that's at least what I pretend I'm doing usually when I have these. It's fine. It's completely fine. Yeah, looks-wise, this could look a lot better. It looks not very much like this. Like the idea, I see what they wanted to do, but if it were to look like this, then it would get a 9 out of 10. It doesn't look like this at all. It really needs this non-clear individual wrapper, otherwise it would look kind of disgusting actually. So, look like something's off. It isn't, but it looks like it's off. So in total I think I have to step it down quite a bit, because das Auge isst mit, as we say in German. The eye also eats. The eyes, you know, the visual appearances do matter with food and candy. So I give this a 7.5 out of 10. The Kopiko Cappuccino. candy. Yeah, I think 7.5 for this is an appropriate rating, and if you have had this before, please let me know in the comment section what you think about it, because I actually like this. I would love for this to be also in a version that's sort of chewy, like a little Haribo gummy bear thingy. That would be properly amazing. But for the time being, I think I'm happy with this as well, and I look forward to making my way through this whole bag. Yeah, this is going to be it for this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.